Hey guys, welcome back to another episode from UDCYD. In our last two videos, we showed you how to find a gold supplier and a verified supplier. In today's video, we're going to show you how to find a trade assurance supplier. And as I said before, if you haven't subscribed yet, do hit that subscribe button, click the bell button so you don't miss any content, leave a comment, and if this video has helped you in some way, do give it a thumbs up. So what is a trade assurance supplier? This is a supplier who offers further protection on the platform when making bulky purchases, right? So for example, if any issue arises concerning your product quality, your order quantity, or your shipment date in that which you agreed with your supplier, Alibaba steps in and mediates the whole thing. The only way that trade assurance applies is if you pay online using the alibaba.com secure payment platform, and the trade assurance becomes invalid when you decide to pay the suppliers privately offline. So it doesn't apply to payments offline. You have to pay through the alibaba.com payment platform. So how does it work? So you pick a verified supplier with trade assurance capabilities and then you pay through the platform. And if any issue arises, as I said, Alibaba will step in as the mediator to resolve any disputes. So assuming you're already logged into your alibaba.com platform, let's look for trade assurance suppliers. So in this example, let's look for ventilators. So we'll click on suppliers and we'll look for ventilators. And we'll click the search button. And as I said over here, by the filter option, you have the verified supplier icon and the trade assurance icon. So we will click on trade assurance. And most often, some suppliers have verified suppliers and gold suppliers, and sometimes verified suppliers also offer trade assurance. So this company has been here for 14 years. It's a verified supplier. 7 years. Okay, let's click on this one. So as you can see, this supplier is both a gold supplier, a verified supplier, and offers trade assurance. So that's a good thing, right? It's both a manufacturer and a trading company. So as I said, when searching for all of these types of suppliers, sometimes you can find just a verified supplier, sometimes you can find a gold supplier, and sometimes you can find a trade assurance supplier. It's very rare to find all three, but they do exist. And when you find all three, you are lucky. So in this case, this supplier is a gold supplier, a verified supplier, and offers trade assurance. So it's also a trade assurance supplier. So happy searching and catch us next time for another episode from UDCYD.